Welcome to my channel.
Hello, it's been 3 months since I last posted and I'm very sorry for that. I'm very busy with school and I hope you understand.
In today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you on how to do the 3D triangle spin. That's kinda funny, but I can't think of any numel, OLL, and of course we'll use the Funimate app. Here's an example. Let's start, and of course make sure to watch carefully, and I really hope you understand my explanation.
And make sure to watch till the end, cause there will be some free QR codes you can use. Okay, let's start. First go to 3D scene. And after that add your first clip, of course. You can also adjust the duration longer or shorter. Now go to convert to 3D object and pick the octahedron. And after that you can also put some details like the bevel edges. This is optional.
Now add your second clip and adjust the duration to match your first clip, you know what I mean. After that go to convert to 3D object and select the pyramid.
Now drag your second clip to the right. Just watch carefully. Just move the position X. Now change the rotation Z to 90 degrees. You can always adjust your clip. If you don't like the position, you can also change the scale if you want. Now duplicate your second clip and replace it with another picture. Now drag your third clip to the left. You can use the position X. Now change your rotation Z to -90. Adjust.
Now go to parent and select your 3 clip as a child. Now please watch carefully, cause I don't know how to explain this part. Now go to rotation X and add keyframe both start and end. Start 0 degrees, end 300 degrees. Copy my graph. Now just please watch carefully, cause I don't know how to explain this part. Add another parent and select the parent one as a child. Add another parent and select the parent 2 as a child. And you're done. I really hope you understand my explanation. But we're not done yet. I'll be giving you some QR codes you can use.
QR code 1. QR code 2. QR code 3. QR code 4. QR code 5. That's all for today's video. And advance Merry Christmas! And of course, please like and subscribe. You can suggest any tutorials you want me to do.